Happy Thursday! Greetings from Puerto, Cruz, from Tenerife, from paradise. A video about the weather. 9:30, and we have this weather, 22 degrees, expecting 26 today. Lovely early morning in Puerto. He's asking for the ball. You would like to play? Come. Another outdated view with some new Christmas decoration. Few minutes later, the clouds are coming for Alteide, so I recommend really to enjoy the sun for morning, because afternoon, who knows? We have mountains. This is unpredictable. Have a lovely Thursday. Best wishes from Puerto de la Cruz, from Tenerife, from paradise.